Hi boys and girls. Today you guys are going to learn about baby animals and their parents. So we're going to work through this video together.
Welcome to the lesson, Which Living Things Look Like Their Parents? In this lesson, you will learn that animals and plants look almost the same as their parents. The vocabulary words for this lesson are parent and trait. You can click each word to find out more about it.
Parent, an animal or a plant that makes young like itself. Trait, a feature that young get from their parents.
What that means is like what they look like, something they get from their parents.
Did you know a baby seal is called a pup? This pup looks a lot like its parents, only smaller. All animals have traits, or features, such as feathers or fur, that are the same as their parents' traits. Click a picture to find out more.
Okay, let's find out more.
See how the young horse and the adult horse both have tails and manes? The adult rhinoceros has thick skin and hooves like her young. The duckling has feathers and webbed feet like its parents.
Notice the duck has feathers, but the horse does not, right? And the rhino has thick skin, but the duckling does not because they don't have the same parents.
This young chimpanzee received traits from her parents. See how the adult chimpanzee also has black fur?
So the trait that the chimpanzee got was the black fur.
Plants are living things, just like animals. This means they also have traits. Young plants look a lot like grown plants, only smaller. Do the kids in your class have the same hair color or eye color? Everyone in your class may have some things in common, but there are differences also. It is the same for all groups of animals and plants. Click the image to find out more.
So our class is full of people. We're in the same group. We're all humans. So we all have hair and eyes and noses, mouths, but what we look like, our traits are different, just like this group of horses.
For these horses, some traits are the same and some are different.
Can you point out something that's different about them? Their color. Their coloring is different.
Dogs have tails, but some have long tails and some have short tails.
So they all have tails and ears and noses, but what their tail looks like might be a little bit different. Can you notice anything else that's different about them? Yeah, their fur. It's all different colors, there's different patterns, but they all have fur too, don't they?
A lot of plants have flowers, but they come in many different shapes and colors.
What do all these plants come in right here? Yep, they're red. Notice these plants here, they're plants also, but they are purple. You're right.
Can you tell just by looking if a plant or animal is young or an adult? Give it a try.
Okay,
Drag each picture to the correct location.
okay, I'm going to point to the picture and I want you to tell me, is it young or is it an adult? This one right here. Did you say young? You're right. How about this one? Did you say adult? You got it. And what about this one? Yep, he's a baby. How about this guy here? That's Mama Bear. And then look at these two trees. Which one do you think is the young? Did you say this one? I agree with you, which means this one would be the adult.
Well done. The young plants and animals look a lot like their parents, only smaller. They have many of the same traits. You have learned that young plants and animals look like their parents. See if you can match the young with its parent.
Okay, where should this guy go? Should he go here? How about here? Maybe here? You got it. What about this cute little guy? Should he go here? Oh, you want him to go here? Oh, good idea. And this guy, well, he definitely doesn't go here, right? Oh, look, they look similar. And then last is our tree.
Good job! You have used similar traits as a guide to match each baby with its parent. You've learned a lot about which living things look like their parents. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at the main points you covered. A parent is a mother or a father. A trait is a feature that may be the same or different within a group of animals and plants. Young animals and plants get traits from their parents. Now that you've finished this lesson, click the menu button to...
All right, you guys did a fantastic job. We talked about animals and their parents and how they get traits or different, what they look like. The traits are kind of like their looks, what they look like from their parents. You did an amazing job. Go ahead and bubble in your smiley face and you may continue on your list.